Welcome to my learning channel. Today I shall explain you reflection of light. A reflection of light: when a beam of light strikes a surface, a part of it return into the same medium. The part of the light which return into the same medium is called reflected light. Thus we can write the definition as the return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection. The remaining part of light is either absorbed if the surface on which the light is struck is opaque, or it is partly transmitted and partly absorbed if the surface is transparent. Opaque means the object through which light can pass. We can see when the light is falling on the opaque object, we see the shadow. In case of transparent object, we can see the shadow. Different surfaces reflect light to different extent. A highly polished and a silver surface such as plain mirror reflect almost the entire light falling on it. The reflection is cause for the object which we can see. Due to the reflection, we can identify the object on the earth. This is the front surface of the mirror, and the other surface of silver or the some suitable material is deposited over it. The silver surface is further coated with some opaque material so as to protect the silvering on it. The two surfaces of the plain mirror are shown as in the figure. In the kind of reflection, there are two kinds of reflection. One is regular reflection and another is irregular reflection. Regular reflection is that when a beam of light is falls on a smooth polished surface such as plain mirror, and irregular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on a rough surface or ordinary surface. Our shoes get dull after returning to the school because the surface of shoes become irregular. When the light is falling on the shoes, the reflection is occur there. That is the best example of irregular reflection. After we polishing the shoes, it gets the surface is so smooth, so that the reflection is there. It's called regular reflection. Irregular reflection is make the object make it shiny when the light is falling on it. Then some related terms with the reflection is one is incident ray, through which the light is falling on the object, and the point of incidence, at the point at which the incident ray strike the surface, the reflected ray, that is through which the rays get reflected from the surface. Normally it is the hypothetical line which is drawn perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence, and the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence which the incident ray make with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection is also, the definition is nearly equal to same. The angle which the reflected ray make with the normal at the point of incidence is called angle of reflection. It is generally denoted by R, and the angle of incidence is denoted by I. Plane of incidence: the plane containing incident ray and normal ray is called plane of incidence, and the plane of reflection, the plane, it is also similar to that type of definition. The plane is containing reflected ray, and the normal is called plane of reflection. And this is the figure which I have illustrated here, how the incident ray is touches to the surface, and how the normal line is drawn here, and how the light is reflected. A light ray obeys the following two rules. One is the angle of incident, I is equal to angle of reflection, and another one, the second one is the incident ray and the reflected ray, and the normal and the point of incident lie in the same plane. If you like my video, then like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you.